here we go. 2014 Chevy Cruze. I wasn't going to make a video on this, so I've kind of already started, but then I realized how much it sucks, so now I'm going to show you. All right, I'm going to pull the seats out. So you'll see the passenger one's over there missing. We got this thing, it's wrecked on the passenger side. You see him over there tinkering with it. We got to push that B pillar. I also have airbag work to do and seatbelt work to do, so it's just going to be easier if I strip all this out. So we'll do a video pulling the seat and then one pulling the center console. I'll also, I guess, do a little talk through on the headliner because that's got to come out, but I've already started on that as well. But for the seat, this is not an LTZ, this is like an LS model, but it's all kind of the same. So this one has a power seat on this side. If you don't, it doesn't matter. And if you do, there's just going to be like an extra plug underneath, but you just move the seat all the way to the front facing position, stand it upright, and then down here on the back side you have a T50 Torxes that go down in these channels. They're real easy to access, there's nothing covering them, so you take those out, throw them down. All right, so now the front side, you can leave it in this position. The front side has retaining hooks, so we're going to orientate the seat this way and then pull it out rearward. Oh, sorry, one last thing. So the seat belt comes down here to hook to the pretensioner. So this sits in a slot like that with a 10 mil. There's a circle cap on the plastic. Let me see if I can figure out where I tossed it in the back. So it looks like this, right? So you pop this little circle cap out and there's going to be a 10 mil in there. It's going to have Loctite on it, but it's pretty easy to get out. Once you take that out, you're going to use a trim stick, which is like one of these little blue plastic sticks so you don't mess up the plastic. If you don't have any, I'll have a link in the description on Amazon so you can order some. You stick this in behind there like that and then just twist and it will pop off. And then the pretensioner, you just pull down. As long as your seat belt's not blown, you just pull down like that and swap it out. And then yeah, you're good to go. Once you have those T50s out, you're gonna lean it forward and pull it out. It's a little tricky. On that front side,
yeah, it has to come back.
now.
Let me just show the hooks on the seat so they understand what they're unhooking.
Well, we're about to go underneath there. Now we gotta figure out how to
See the hooks here? The hook in these little...
So in the name of saving time, I'm going to cut out all me being dumb, but if you're removing a seat on 2014 Cruze, it's time to unplug the harness. Check this out. I removed the other one like an idiot. If you flip it forward, there's a little cubby hole thingy that you can flip up, and it just has a whole plug and the harness rides with the seat. Bam, easy as that. We'll walk to the other side to look at that one. So if you look at how I removed the passenger one, I started to pull the cover on the seat in the car because I didn't notice this was down here, and I left the entire harness like a normal seat laying on the floor. So yeah, take note of that thing. When you flip the seat up, just reach in there and unplug it, and here, this will be a smoother show. You just grab this tab on the side, pull it back, and off she comes. Voila. And that's supposed to go with the seat. Instead, I stripped it all the way out of it. Once you have the harness unplugged, even on the driver's side with the steering wheel, I was able to just bring it forward easily and carefully slide it right out this driver door. Didn't have to take off the catch or anything. Fits right out. Heck yeah.